Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to discuss, are you tired of your current company and what should be the right time to switch in different projects or rather switch your company. Okay, so if you have completed 2+ years at any company such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, or any other company, okay, service-based IT company in India, then this video is definitely going to be for you. Okay, if you are going to join companies as freshers as well, so this video is also helpful for all of you guys. So make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because ultimately it will help you guys to get regular updates about our current videos. So let us move forward. The first thing that I want to discuss with all of you guys is that whenever you are joining a company, okay, it can be a service-based company or it can be a startup or product-based company. So we are essentially dividing it into two types. So what happens is in service-based companies, right? So they are hiring in bulk. Okay, they are doing mass hiring, mass recruiting. Okay, now a lot of people have this question that TCS is only hiring for the paid NQT members and they are not hiring for the non-paid NQT members. So I'm going to make a video on that point as well. Okay, why TCS is dealing the onboarding process. But this point is again very important, and that is the reason I want to discuss with all of you guys. Okay, so you might have, if you have joined TCS as a fresher, right, and if you approximately spend like 15 to 20 days like on the training, okay, it is for 2 weeks or 3 weeks rather, depending on the location. Okay, so it can be up to like 15 to 20 days. Okay, let us consider 3 weeks of training you are getting in when you're joining TCS, right, as a fresher. So what will happen after that training? You can assume a period of 2 months bench. Okay, so you can consider 3 months that you're coming into TCS. As soon as you join TCS, 3 months are going into training and on bench period and everything, finding a good project and getting settled into that project, right? So when does your actual experience start in the IT company? Okay, when you join as fresher, so it starts around like after 6 months you join into a project. Okay, I mean after you join the company, you join into a project, and after 1 2 months you get hands-on practice of working along with it. And trust me guys, having a hands-on practice and learning on YouTube or learning on some courses, it is very different. Okay, so if you look at the production applications or something like that, it is very easy to create an application in your system using watching some tutorials and everything, but it is really hard to create an application or doing the performing the testing or handling the actual production tickets or anything in general, right? Support, testing, production, development, all those things, right? So the second thing is that when you start your actual work, right, you started around 6 months after you joining, so you started then, right? And then a lot of people talk to us in the comment section as well as on the Telegram group. We also have a Telegram group. If you have not joined it, please do join it. I will give the link in the description. You can go and join the group and you can start the discussion over there as well. Okay, you can ask your questions over there. So now coming back to the part that we were discussing. Okay, so a lot of people ask that what should be the right time to switch a project. Okay, so from my own experience and a lot of experience that I've like discussed with a lot of people who are working in the IT industry, so it is ideal that you should try to switch after 2 years of actual experience, work experience in your current project. Okay, so whether your company is giving you good what do you call it, good appraisals or hike. Okay, based on that, if you want to stay in the current company also, that is also fine. Okay, some people say that I'm getting good learning opportunity, I'm building a project from scratch, or I'm building the automation from scratch, so that is okay. In that case you can stay longer than 2 years as well. Okay, it totally depends on your learning, like the capability and the learning that you're getting in the correct project. But trust me guys, that in majority of project what happens is you get stuck in a lot of things, right? You get stuck, you're not getting any new learning, but you're used to it, right? You get into the comfort zone. So for those people, I just want to tell you that it is very important that you change your project. That is very important. I know it is very difficult to get your project changed. Okay, it is very difficult to get your project changed in companies like TCS and Infosys, but definitely you should try for it. Okay, staying more than 2 years in one project is not good because it limits your thinking capabilities, it limits your knowledge. Okay, so that is the reason it is recommended that you should always change your project after 2 years. Okay, now coming back to the third point. Okay, so what about switching the company? Okay, so ideally I think around 3 years is a good time. Now why I will tell you. Okay, the people who are currently working in companies like TCS and Infosys, they must have joined around 2021, so June to December 2021, or maybe in the first half of the 2022 as well. So now what happened was, essentially I will tell you, before COVID, the 2019 and 2018 batches people were there, right? So they like faced they were having offline colleges and they gave the examinations and they have a good knowledge, right? They had good knowledge and they like had to crack the companies. It is easy now after COVID. It is very easy to crack this mass recruitment companies, right? But before that it was very difficult. The NQT and all the exams, that NVTQ, all these exams were very difficult to crack. Trust me guys, and that is the reason these people have very good knowledge and they were very skilled, and they got the trainings offline as well, 4 months of training at the offline locations of TCS and Infosys. Now that is the reason what has happened. right now, if you go and look at the opportunities in the current market, there are very few opportunities that are there for the 2 years or 3 years of experience people. If you go 4+ years of experience, then there are a lot of opportunities, guys. If you go on Naukri.com, if you go on LinkedIn, you will find a lot of opportunities for 4 to 6 years, 8 years, 10 years of experience. But in the last couple of 3 years, okay, last 2 years or 3 years, what has happened? A lot of people have got cleared their examinations and everything. Even dumb people are working in the IT company, and that is the reason what has happened. Then the recruiters, the new recruiters, they are not trying to onboard the people who are having 1.5 to 2 years or maybe 2.5 years of experience. So that is what is happening in the current market right now. Okay, anyone who has passed after 2020, they're getting it. They are facing hard time to find the actual job. Okay, so this is the current market scenario that I want to highlight. Okay, now if I talk about the third aspect, right, finding a job and then switching the company, yes, definitely it is a good option. You always have to leave your comfort zone and you have to go into some new place, new environment where you have to struggle, you have to learn continuously, and that is the rule of IT. If you don't want to join IT, then please don't focus on learning new things. You can go and work on the regular job, but definitely if you want growth in your career, if you want like good packages, that is very important. Always keep on learning, that is very important. Now we will also be making a video on the dark reality of IT soon enough. Okay, so you will get the video probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So I wish I want everyone to watch that video, because we are going to expose a lot of things about these service based IT companies in that video. Okay, guys, so this is all about our today's video. Make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. I will happily answer all your questions.